ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ತರಪಿನ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಉಲ್ಲೋಚಾಕ ಶಿಕ್ತಲಂಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome you to new episode of Learn Konkani, Konkani ULAI for beginners. In this episode, we will use common Konkani words in conversation so that you can practice speaking Konkani. First episode is Ramesh has an accident. How Rameshu. I am Ramesh. He Mageli Gadi. This is my vehicle. Gadi. I am driving the vehicle. How Gadi Chalaita. I am wearing a helmet on the head. Have Matteri helmet घालनु घेतल्या. हांवें मातेरी हेल्मेट घालून घेतल्या. So I am Ramesh. हांव रमेशु. Please note that nouns ending with a, when we address, we use end vowel u as in Rameshu. हांव Rameshu. This is my vehicle. Because vehicle is feminine gender. He Mageli Gadi. Mageli is my in feminine gender. This is my vehicle. He Mageli Gadi. How Gadi Chalaita. I am driving the vehicle. Have Matteri on the head. Helmet घालून घेतल्या. I am wearing the helmet on the head. Other way, this is Ramesh. Ho Rameshu. This is Ramesh. Ho Rameshu. This is Ramesh's vehicle. He Rameshali Gadi. This is Rameshali Gadi. So it was he Mageli Gadi. Now this is Rameshali Gadi. Ramesh is driving the vehicle. Rameshu Gadi Chalaita. Rameshu Gadi Chalaita. Rameshana Matteri helmet घालून घेतल्या. Rameshana Matteri helmet घालून घेतल्या. So we used Rameshali, Rameshana. There was a ditch on the road. Road, rasto, ditch, pondu. There was a ditch on the road. Rasteri, yeku, pondu, asilo. There was water in the ditch. Water, udaka. There was water in the ditch. Pondantu, udak asile. Pondantu, udak asile. Ramesh did not see the ditch. Ramesh did not see the ditch. Rameshana pond ashile palailna. Palaile is to see. Palailna has not seen. Ramesh did not see the ditch. Rameshana pond ashile palailna. Ramesh's vehicle fell on the road. Ramesh Algadi Rasteri Padli. Fell Padli. Ramesh Padlo masculine gender. Gadi feminine gender. Padli. Ramesh Ali Gadi Rasteri Padli. Ramesh fell on the road. Rameshu Rasteri Padlo. He was hurt. Takka Marjallo. He was hurt. Takka Marjallo pet laglo. Ramesh was hurt. Rameshaka mar laglo. Nave Rameshaka pet jalo. Ramesh was laying on the side of the road. Rameshu raste baglina padilo. On the side of the road. Raste Baglina laying or padilo fell on the side of the road. People walking on the side called his name. Rastari Watale Lokani Loku people walking on the side of the road. Rastar Watal Lokani called his name. Tagil Nama Apaile name Nama Apaile. Ramesha Ramesha. Again note Ramesh is the noun. When you address someone, you end up with a vowel A. Ramesha. When you call someone Ramesha. He did not reply. Tane Uttar Dilna. He did not reply. Tane Uttar Dilna. Eka Bailmanshena, a lady, called the hospital. Aspatreka phone kelo. Aspatreka apaile. Aspatreka phone kelo. She told them about Ramesh. Tine Ramesh al Badala Sangle. Ramesh al Badala about Ramesh Sangle. Tine Ramesh al Badala Sangle. They asked her to stay with Ramesh. Tanni Tika. They told her Tika Ramesha Otu Urchaka Sangle. They asked her to stay with Ramesh. Nave Ramesha Barshi Urchaka Sangle. Ramesha Otu Urchaka Sangle. An ambulance came very quickly. Eka ambulance Beggi Aile. Quickly. Beggi Aile. Ambulance came with its red and blue light. Red Tamde, blue Nile, light Divo. Ambulance Nilani Tamde, light Lavnu Aile. Ambulance Beggi Aile. Ambulance Nile Tamde, Divo Lavngenu Aile. They saw Ramesh. Tanni Rameshaka Palele. They made sure he was safe. Tanni Rameshaka Surakshita Davarle. They made sure he was safe. They decided to take Ramesh to the hospital. Tanni Rameshaka Aspatreka Horchemon Kelle. Hospital Aspatre Aspatreka Horchemonu Kelle. They decided to take Ramesh to the hospital. Ramesh was lifted. Rameshaka Ukkalle lift to Ukkalche. Ramesh was lifted and transferred. Rameshaka Ukkolnu ambulance abitari Velle. They took him inside the ambulance by lifting him. Rameshaka Ukkolnu ambulance abitari Velle. Rameshaka Duki Jalli pain. Duki. Rameshaka Duki Jalli. Ramesh was in pain. Ramesh's ambulance arrived at the hospital. Rameshali Gadi, Rameshale ambulance Aspatreka Yevnu Pavle. Rameshale ambulance Aspatreka Yevnu Pavle. Ramesh was taken inside the hospital. Rameshaka Aspatre Bhitari Velle. Rameshaka Aspatre Bhitari Velle. Doctorana Rameshaka Duki Kammi Jauchaka Wakad Dile. Wakad is medicine. Doctorana Duki is pain. Duki Kammi Jauchaka to reduce the pain. Wakad Dile. Wakada medicine Dile. They did tests on Ramesh. Tanni Ramesha Vairi Tapasi Kelly. Tapasi is a test or examination. Tanni Ramesha Vairi Tapasi Kelly. Ramesh had a broken bone in one leg. He had broken a bone in one leg. Rameshale ek payache hard modile. Bone is harder. Leg payu. Eka payacho harder. Modile. Modile broken. Ramesh had a broken bone in one leg. Rameshale ek payache harder. Modile. Doctorana Tagel Payari operation kele. Doctor operated on his leg. They fixed a broken bone. Tanni modile hard samakele. They fixed samkele. They fixed a broken bone. Modile hard samkele. Ramesh made good recovery. Rameshaka beggi gun jale. Rameshaka beggi gun jale. His parents came to visit him in the hospital. Tagale, Ausu Papai, mother and father, parents, Ausu, mother, Papai, father, Takka Polochaka to see him, came to the hospital. Aspatreka Aile. Rameshu sent home with his parents. Tangel Barshi, Gharaka Gello or Rameshaka Tangel Barshi, Ghara Dhadle was sent home. Ghara Dhadle or he went home. Ghara Gello. Rameshu Tangel Barshi, Ghara Gello. Rameshaka Tangel Barshi, Ghara Dhadle. Gharakana Rameshaka Aspatrechana Rasiti Aili. Rasiti receipt. Rameshaka Aspatrechana from the hospital. He received a bill. Rameshaka Aspatrechana Rasidi Aili. So we will go through this exercise. In Konkani, there are comparative cases as in English or any other Latin languages. They also compare with cases in Sanskrit. So if you would like to study this further, perhaps you can take a note of various cases we have used on the noun Ramesh ending with the vowel a. Ramesh, Rameshu, Rameshana, Rameshalagi, Rameshakanchan, Rameshaka, Ramesha, and see how you can compare them with the Sanskrit cases as well as cases used in English. Thank you for listening to first episode of Konkani ULAI. If you wish to receive a notification from Learn Konkani on upcoming videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಅನಿಮೇಳ್ಯ.